Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these services. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and US Bancorp hinges on your individual financial needs. JPMorgan Chase, a global banking giant, provides a comprehensive suite of services, from personal checking and savings accounts to sophisticated investment banking tools and even small business loans. Their vast branch network combined with a powerful digital platform makes them a compelling choice for those seeking a one-stop financial solution. Chase's credit cards, renowned for their travel rewards and flexible loyalty programs, are particularly appealing to frequent travelers and those looking to maximize reward points. For business owners, Chase offers a diverse array of merchant services and banking solutions designed to simplify operations and facilitate growth. US Bancorp, more commonly known as US Bank, concentrates on providing excellent consumer and small business banking services without the global footprint of Chase. They offer competitive checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and a respectable selection of credit cards. Often, their accounts feature lower fees and balance requirements compared to larger institutions. US Bank maintains a substantial branch presence in specific regions, catering to customers who prefer in-person banking support. While not as internationally focused as Chase, US Bank prioritizes efficiency, personalized customer service, and community engagement, which can be a significant draw for those seeking a more localized and streamlined banking experience. Both institutions boast robust digital banking platforms, providing user-friendly mobile apps and online portals for managing accounts, depositing checks, transferring funds, and tracking transactions with ease. While fees, minimum balance requirements, and interest rates vary between the two, both banks offer options to waive certain fees based on account balances or direct deposits. Customer service experiences can vary based on location and specific branches. However, both institutions aim to deliver consistent support through phone, online chat, and in-person appointments. To summarize, if your priorities include a wide array of premium financial products, international accessibility, and high-value credit card rewards, JPMorgan Chase is likely the more suitable choice. Conversely, if you value a regionally focused bank with easy-to-understand products, potentially lower fees, and a strong local presence, US Bancorp might be a better fit. Before making your decision, carefully consider your banking habits, desired features, and long-term financial goals.